ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरं समाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। We will do the lesson, reader one first lesson. Already we have done. We'll do the exercises. Prashnaha. सूर्यः कस्यां दिशि उदयते? एषः प्रथमः पाठः पूर्वं दृष्टवन्तः।
पूर्वस्य पूर्वस्यां
पाठे सूर्यः प्रत्यक्षस्य विषये सूर्यस्य नामानि दिनस्य नामानि इति वर्णिताः सन्ति। सूर्यः कस्यां दिशि उदयते? पूर्वस्यां दिशि उदयते। पूर्वस्यां पूर्वस्यां पूर्व इति स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दः, आकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गशब्दः। पूर्वस्याम् इति सप्तमी विभक्तिः। पूर्वस्यां दिशि सूर्यः उदयते। उदयते इति क्रियापदस्य धातुः उत्पूर्वक ऐ धातु। अयते अयेते अयन्ते आत्मनेपदी धातु। तस्य प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनरूपम् उदयते। कः उदयते? सूर्यः उदयते। कुत्र उदयते अथवा कस्यां दिशि? दिश् इति तस्यापि स्त्रीलिङ्ग शब्दः एव। दिश् दिश् एतस्यापि अतः सप्तमी विभक्तौ अधिकरणकारकम्, अतः सप्तमी विभक्तौ दिशि इति रूपम्। कस्यां दिशि? पूर्वस्यां दिशि। पूर्वस्यां दिशि उदयते। कस्यां दिशि? कस्यां दिशि? कस्यां दिशि अस्तमनं भवति? पूर्वस्यां दिशि उदयः सूर्यस्य उदयः पूर्वस्यां दिशि। कस्यां दिशि सूर्यस्य अस्तमनं? पश्चिमदिशायाम् अथवा पश्चिमदिशायां सूर्यस्य अस्तमनं भवति। सूर्यस्य उदयः कदा भवति? प्रातः वा सायङ्काले वा?
प्रातः वा
प्रातः। सायङ्काले सूर्यस्य अस्तमनं
अस्तमयं
भवति।
भवति।
सूर्यः कदा सूर्यस्य शिरसः उपरि भवति?
दिने
माध्याह्ने काले, माध्याह्ने दिने, माध्याह्ने उपरि, शिरसः उपरि भवति। सः उदयमानः किं करोति? कः उदयमानः?
सूर्यः
सः इति
उदयम्
सर्वनाम शब्देन, सः इति सर्वनाम शब्देन कः अभिहितः?
सूर्यः
सूर्यः। उदयमानः सूर्यः। सूर्यः यः उदयते सः उदयमानः सूर्यः। उदयमानः इति शानच् रूपम्। उत्पूर्वक ऐधातोः शानच् प्रत्ययं योजयित्वा उदयमान इति रूपम्। उदयमानः, उदयमान इति अकारान्त शब्दः। उदयमानः, उदयमानो, उदयमानाः। अत्र सूर्यः इति एकवचनतः विशेषणरूपेण उदयमानः। उदयमानः सूर्यः किं करोति? पाठे वर्तते उत्तरं। किं करोति?
अन्धकारं नाशयति
अन्धकारम्, अन्धकारं नाशयति। अतः एव सूर्यस्य दिवाकरः इति, दिनकरः इति। रात्रौ अन्धकारः भवति, दिने
प्रकाशः
प्रकाशः। सूर्यस्य प्रकाशः, 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 सूर्यस्य प्रकाशः अन्धकारं नाशयति। सूर्यप्रकाशः अथवा सूर्यः अन्धकारं नाशयति। अंधकार विनाशित्वात् गुरुरित्यभिधीयते। ऋकारस्तु अंधकारो वै, ऋकारस्तु तन्निवर्तकः। अंधकार निरोधित्वात् गुरुरित्यभिधीयते। सूर्यः एव प्रत्यक्ष देवता। अतः एव प्रातः वा माध्याह्ने वा सायंकाले वा सूर्य उपासनां करोति। प्रत्यक्ष रूपेण सूर्यः वर्तते। सन्तः बालः कदा प्रबुद्ध्य किं कुर्वन्ति?
सूर्योदयात् पूर्वम् उषसि
प्लीस् नोट्।
प्रभु
सन्तः बालः, वाट् इस् सन्तः? सन्तः इत्युक्ते किं? कोऽर्थः? किमर्थः? कः अर्थः सन्तः इत्युक्ते?
those who are on Gurukula kind of training.
न न न, सन्तः
Saint,
कथम्
Sant.
एतत् पदस्य निष्पन्नं भवति? किं रूपं सन्तः? अस्दा, वाट् इस् दि प्रत्यय? शत्रु प्रत्यय। अस्धातोः शत्रु प्रत्ययं योजयित्वा सत् इति प्रातिपदिकं सिद्ध्यति। तस्य पुल्लिङ्गरूपं सन्, सन्तौ, सन्तः। Right? Understand?
Yes.
In the last class, san, santah, santah. What is the meaning of santah? What meaning I give? I don't know. Okay, whatever maybe. Santah, being. That is one meaning. San, santah. Because asdhatu is bu sattayam. Bu sattayam, being, in the sense of being. Being, becoming also we can say. But being is better. Otherwise, Vedanta we say always being, not becoming. Brahma with Brahma iva bhavati. The knower of Brahma becomes Brahma. No, not becomes Brahma. The knower of Brahma recognizes Brahma as oneself. That is the translation. That is the best translation. If you literally translate, then becomes means as though the milk becomes curd. Like that becomes. It's not like that. It's being Brahma is Brahma. Therefore, Bhu Sattayam is being is better. Becoming also fine, but we have to depending on the context. Anyway, so here Asdato Rupam Shatranta Rupam Santaha. Here Santaha is, we can take Santaha means being is one meaning. But always we can take. Or Santaha mean good boys. Okay, that is Santaha. Sant we say no in Sanskritam, in Hindi. What is Sant? Sant Kabir,
Saint.
Sant Gurudas, Surdas, Sant, saint. Good people, good boys. So Santaha, not being boys. Balaha, boys only. You can say Balaha, Santaha. Santaha is equal to Santi Ityartha. Balaha, Santi, boys. Because they are Santi, right? Asti or Nasti. When we say something, it is Asti ever, right? See, Suryaha Kasyam Dishi Udayate. Suryaha Asti. Therefore Udayate. So Asti is understood always. So Santaha, Balaha Santaha, Santi. But Santaha here, you can say boys, I mean Santaha meaning good boys. Okay. So good boys, therefore only kada prabudya kim kurvanti pratah kale suryodayat purvam. What is the lesson? Kim paditavantaha pate. Kada prabudya kim kurvanti.
स्त्रियान् पाठान् पठन्ति
Kada prabudya. Kada uttishthati. Uttishtanti.
सूर्योदयात् पूर्वम् उषसि
सूर्योदयात् पूर्वम् उषसि. उषसि इत्युक्ते प्रातःकाले सूर्योदयात् पूर्वम् उषसि उत्थाय किं कुर्वन्ति? पठनं कुर्वन्ति. स्वीयान् पाठान् पठन्ति, पठनं कुर्वन्ति. के कुर्वन्ति? सन्तः बालाः. The good boys, people who are, who are good, disciplined. Yeah, disciplined. अपराह्ने सूर्यः किं करोति? अपराह्ने अन्नः.
प्रकाशः कठोरः भवति.
सूर्यस्य प्रकाशः कठोरः भवति अपराह्ने. अपराह्ने इत्युक्ते माध्याह्नात् पूर्वभागः पूर्वाह्नः अपरभागः अपराह्नः. अपराह्ने सूर्यः पश्चिमां दिशम् अवतरति. Slowly descends to the west. Hello, can you hear me? Hello. Okay. सन्तः बालः सुबालाः इति. सुबालाः उषसि प्रातःकाले उषसि प्रबुद्ध्य अथवा उत्थाय स्वीयान् पाठान् पठन्ति, पठनं करोति. स्वाध्यायनं करोति. अपराह्ने सूर्यः किं करोति? अपराह्ने पश्चिमदिशायां प्रति अवतरणं करोति, अवतरति. अपराह्ने प्रभाते माध्याह्ने सायाह्ने च सायंकाले सूर्यस्य प्रकाशः कीदृशः भवति? प्रभाते कोमलः भवति. माध्याह्ने कठोरः भवति. सायाह्ने कोमलः भवति. माध्याह्ने एव कठोरः भवति सूर्यस्य प्रकाशः. प्रातःकाले प्रभाते सायाह्ने सायंकाले च कोमलः भवति. कोमलः रक्तः भवति किल? कोमलः रक्तः कोमलश्च सूर्यस्य प्रकाशः भवति. सूर्यस्य प्रकाशः, सूर्यः रक्तः भवति, प्रकाशः कोमलः भवति. तया सर्वा सृष्टिः प्रकाशते. सर्वा सृष्टिः तया तया प्रकाशते भासते तया
सूर्यस्य
सूर्यस्य
भा- भासा सर्वा सृष्टि प्रकाशते।
सूर्यस्य भासा सर्व सूर्यस्य भासा सर्वा सृष्टिः प्रकाशते सर्वा सृष्टिः प्रकाशते प्रकाशते काष्ठात् सृष्टिः जगत् प्रकाशते तया भासा
भासा
भासा सूर्यस्य भासया न तु भासा भासा मीन्स शाइन भासया सूर्यस्य भासया राइट सूर्यस्य भासा ओके सूर्यस्य भासा भासा इज भास धातु या भास भास इज प्रातिपदिक भासा नॉट भासया भासा क्षम्यतां सूर्यस्य भासा तस्य भासा सर्वविधं विभाति कदा अस्तमयः जायते सूर्यस्य सायंकाले सायाह्ने सूर्यस्य अस्तमनं भवति सूर्यस्य
समये
अस्तमयः सूर्यः अस्तमयः जायते सूर्यस्य अस्तमनं भवति जनः कथम् अरोगः भवति रोगरहितः भवति कथं जनः भवति रोगरहितः
यदि
उपासनं
सूर्योपासनां करोति जनाः आरोग्यं
अरोगः भवन्ति।
आरोग्यं प्राप्नोति अरोगः भवति अथवा
रोगः भवति
सूर्यस्य सूर्योपासनया जनः अरोगः भवति आरोग्यं प्राप्नोति अतः अरोगः भवति रोगरहितः भवति महान्तः किं वदन्ति
आरोग्यं भास्करात् इच्छेत् इति महतां वचनम्
भगतां वचनं किं वचनम् आरोग्यस्तु
भास्करात् इच्छेत्
भास्कर आरोग्यं भास्करात् इच्छेत् इति महतां वचनं कीदृशं भास्करं जनाः पूजयन्ति रश्मिमन्तं समुद्यन्तं देवासुरनमस्कृतं भोजयस्व विवस्वन्तं भास्करं भुवनेश्वरम् इति एतानि सूर्यस्य नामानि रश्मिमन्तं रश्मिमान् सम्यक् उद्यन्तं समुद्यन्तं तं देवैः असुरैः च नमस्कृतं तं विवस्वन्तं भाः करोति भास्करं तं भुवनस्य ईश्वरः तं भुवनेश्वरं पूजयन्ति जनाः In grammar, sandhi means change in combination of two letters coming in immediate contact. Parasannikarshah samhita, right? Samhita ityukte sandhi iti. Varnanam atishaya sannidhi. Visargaha विसर्गलोप संधिः विसर्गस्य लोपः भवति कथं भवति विसर्गस्य लोपः सूर्यः प्लस उदयते विसर्गस्य लोपं कृत्वा पुनः संधिः न भवति विसर्गस्य लोपः कथं भवति विसर्गस्य स्थाने कः आदेशः भवति यकारस्य आदेशः विसर्गात् पूर्वम् अकारः उत्तरं तु अश्वर्णः अतः विसर्ग इत्युक्ते नु एव तस्य स्थाने यकारादेशः यकारस्य लोपः भवति विकल्पेन यदि अच् वर्णे परे विकल्पेन लोपः अश्वर्णे परे लोपः भवति एव तत्र विकल्पः नास्ति रामः प्लस आयाति अत्रापि यकारादेशं कृत्वा लोपः शाकल्यस्य अच्वर्णे परे यकारस्य विकल्पेन लोपः भवति रामः आयाति राम लोपं कृत्वा पुनः सन्धि भवति वा न भवति यदि सन्धिं करोति किं भवति यकारस्य पुनरुत्थानं भवति।
Mm.
यकारः पुनः पुनः आगत्य वदति अहमस्मि अत्र सन्धिः न भवति इति। चन्द्रः प्लस् इव तत्रापि यकारादेशः यकारस्य लोपः। नृत्यः प्लस् एति भो भगोः अपूर्वस्य योषि इति सूत्रेण यकारादेशः। बालाः धावन्ति अत्रापि बालाः धावन्ति यकारादेश यकारस्य लोपः। गजाः गच्छन्ति। नाशयति प्रबोधयति विकासयति इमे निजन्ताः येषां प्राथमिकरूपाणि नश्यति प्रबुध्यते विकसति। नश् धातोः प्राथमिकरूपाणि इत्युक्ते न तु निजन्तरूपः न निजन्तरूपः। नश्यति तस्य निजन्तरूपं नाशयति। नश् प्लस् निच् नाशी नाशी प्लस शप् प्लस नाशी नाशे नाशय नाशयति। तद्वदेव प्रबोधयति। बुद्धातु कस्मिन् गणे वर्तते? चतुर्थगणे, अतः श्यन् भवति। आत्मनेपद धातु बुध्यते बुध्येते बुध्यन्ते प्रबुध्यते। बोधयति निजन्तरूपं बुद्ध प्लस निच् बोधि बोधे बोधय बोधयति प्रबोधयति। विकसति कस् धातु कस्मिन् गणे वर्तते? कस् धातु विपूर्वक कस् धातु विकसति। तुदादिगणे इत्युक्ते इति षष्ठगणे रैट् षट् सिक्स्त् वन् तुदादिगणे सिक्स्त् गण कस् धातु विकसति विकासयति। कस् प्लस् निच् कासी कास् कासे कासी कासय कासयति। पर्यायाः समानार्थ शब्दाः। यथा सूर्यः एते सर्वे श्लोकाः अमरकोशात् दत्ताः सन्ति। अत्र अमरकोश सूर्यः 37 श्लोकः। सूर्यायमादित्य द्वादशात्मदिवाकराः भास्कराः रत्न प्रभाकर विभाकराः। सूर्य अर्यम आदित्य अर्यम इति। शन्नो मित्रशं वरुणः शन्नो भवद्वर्यमा अर्यमा इति। आदित्यः द्वादशात्म इति सूर्यस्य नाम द्वादशात्म। दिवाकरः अन्य नाम। भास्करः भाः करोति भास्करः। अगस्करः अह इत्युक्ते दिवा इत्यतः दिनं दिवा अगस्करः। रत्न
मित्रः
What is that word? I don't know. Okay, we'll see Bradna, whatever it is. I can check that word. Okay, Prabhakara Vivakaraha. Tadvat Basvat Vivasvat Saptascha Aridashvosh Narashmayaha Aridashva Ushtarashmayaha Vikartanarkanda Martandam Mikiraru Rudapushanaha Pushan Suryasya Nama. All these are names of the Surya from the Varakosha. Human is Tarunir Mitraha. Mitraha is the Mitra. Chitrabhanahu. Virochanaha. Suryasya Nama. Vibhavasuhu. Grahapatihi. Tuhisham. Patihi. Agarpatihi. Agarpatihi also Suryasya Nama. Bhanuhu. Hamsaha. Sagastramshu. Tapanaha. Svita. Ravihi. All these are Suryasya Paryaya. Okay. Amarkosha. You can see that Amarkosha next class. This shloka, what all the words in what linga. Okay. Abbreviations used. Pariyaya shlokas in all lessons are taken from Amarkosha. Dvitiyah Pataha, Udyamaha, Karyasadakaha. Sadakaha. Sadakaha is accomplisher. What is the accomplisher of a task? Which accomplishes a task? Udyamaha. Udyama is effort. Udyama sagasam dedyam. Buddhi shakti parakramaha. One subhashitam is said. Chadete etra vartante. Tatra devaha. Chadete etra vartante. The fortune favors the bold. That is subhashitam. Udyama forgot the last part. Udyamam sagasam dedyam. Buddhi shakti parakramaha. Chadete etra vartante. The last quarter. The Deva Anugrahanam Karoti Tasya. So Udyama is one of the six-fold virtues are present in whom? Him. The Devas blesses. So this is a nice subhashita. So there Udyama you will see. Udyamaha sagasam dheryam. Buddhishakti parakrama shadete yatra vartante tatra deva sahayakrit. Okay, that is why. Tatra deva sahayakrit bhavati. Devaha sahayam karoti. Fortune favors the bold. Him the deva, the invisible force or what? The deva, the Lord. Sahayakrit bhavati. Sahayam karoti. Okay, please let us read. Dvitiyah Pataha. One of you can read. Yeah, please read. Anyone? Should I call the name then?
उद्यमः कार्यसाधकः वर्षासु शाकटिकः कश्चित् स्वशकटे भाण्डान् तं नगरान्तरम् अनयत्.
Yeah. Anayat. Asmin vakye kriyapadamasti. Anayat. Nidatoho.
लङ् रूपम्.
Lang rupam. Pratama purushaha ekavachana rupam. Anayat. At agamaha ni plus sha plus takara. Ni. Nai. That's ni becomes ne. Sorry, not nai. Ne. Then nai. Anayat. Anayat. Kaha anayat. Kaha karta.
शाकटिकः.
Shakatikaha. Cartman. Shakatika. Kaschit. Shakatikaha anayat. Kim anayat?
नगरान्तरम्.
Shakatikam anayat.
भाण्डानि शकटम् आरोप्य अनयत्.
Tam anayat. Shakatikaha bandani aropya swashakate tam iti yukte kim? Shakatam. Swashakatam. Shakatikaha swashakatam anayat. Kutra? Nagarantaram. Nagarantaram yukte anya nagaram. Another city. Nagarantaram, anya nagaram. Tam shakatam, swashakatam, swasya shakataha, tam swashakatam. Swashakate kim aropitavan? Kani aropitavan?
भाण्डानि आरोपितवान्.
Bandani is
Pots.
yeah, commodities, goods. Bandani, padarthani, aropya. Aropya is having filled, aropya.
Loaded.
Aropya, loaded. That's better translation. Loaded. Bandani, aropya, swashakate, nagarantaram, ani nagaram, anagyetu. Kada? Kasmin kale?
वर्षाकाले
Varshasu, the rainy season. Okay, then continue.
द्वौ वृषौ तं शकटम् अवहताम्
Avagat, avagatam, avagan. What was in
द्वौ
the previous class? Avagatam. Okay. Vrishav is Vrishabhau, Vrishabhau. Vrisha is Vrishabhau. Vrishabha ityartah. Kati Vrishabhau, Vrishau.
Dvau. Dvau Vrishau.
Atah eva avagatam. Tam shakatam. Tam adjectival pronoun. Tam shakatam. Shakatam. Tam yasmin shakate. यस्मिन् शकटे भाण्डानि सन्ति तत् सः शकटः तं भाण्ड आरोपित शकटम् इत्यर्थः तम् इति भाण्ड आरोपित शकटं तं शकटं the loaded car not empty car avagatam. Okay, then sentence.
रथ्यायां षट्
Pratyayam pankhe. Panka is that slush dust, no, that what do you call it? Slush on the path.
शकटस्य चक्रं रुद्धमभूत्
Ruddham Abhut. Oh, introducing Abhut. Abhut kaha lakaraha?
लकार
No. Lung lakara.
लकार
Lung lakara. Okay. Lung
अभवत्
just
अभूत्
Booth.
Abhut. It is lung lakara is generally we use lung only. This is Abhut. This is lung lakara even I have not taught to the advanced students. It's just not form you note, but he is just introducing. We will learn later. Derivation and all it is a little difficult. Advanced it is. Abhut. Okay. Abhut is there. Where Mangi Lung also like Klebyam Mas Magamaf Partha. Aitattaiva Padyate. There also Mas Klebyam Mas Smagamaf Partha. Ma Agamaha. Abhut. That Mangi. Okay, when Mang is there, then A will become Lopaha. Ma Bhut. Like Karmanyevadikaraste. Ma Paleshu Kadachana. Ma Karma Palahe Turbuhu. That there also Karmanyevadikaraste. Ma Paleshu Kadachana. Ma Karma Palahe Turbuhu. Maste Tangot Karmani. There also Ma Bhut. It is Ma is there, then Ma Bhut. A will go away. Abhut here, it is Abhut. Anyway, Ruddham Abhut. Nirodha Bhavati Ityartha. Right? Ruddha is Ruddha. Stopped. Ruddham Abhut. Ruddham iti ka vivakti Ruddham. Chakram Ruddham Abhut. Chakram Ruddham Abhavat. What is Ruddham? Atra. Kim karakam?
Adjective chakram visheshana. Ruddham
It is subjective complement. Chakram is Napumsakalinga. Chakram Ruddham Abhavat. Abhut is equal to Abhavat. Chakram Ruddham Abhavat. Chakra, the wheel got stuck. Right? The wheel got stuck. Chakram Ruddham Abhavat. So Chakram is 1-1. Ruddham also 1-1. Pratama Ekavachan. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachan. Kasya Chakram Shakatasya. Kutra Ruddham Shakatasya Chakram Ruddham Abhavat. Panke. Pratyayam Panke. Ratya is the path. Marge. Marge ityata Ratya. Yata Rama. Pratyayam. Pratyayam Panke. Marge Panke Asti. Tasmin Panke. Chakrasya Kim Abhavat. Chakrasya Ruddham. Ruddhaha Abhavat. Chakra got stuck. Chakram napumsakalinga, therefore ruddham. Nishta pratyaya, ruddha, plus tha. You know what happens after that? Ruddha. Right? So chakram napumsakalinga, therefore ruddham. So chakrasya ruddham abhut. The next sentence.
वृषभौ बलवत् प्रहरन्नपि स शकटं चलयितुं न क्षमत
Na akshamata.
न
Ksham.
क्षमत
Ksham dhatu. Akshamata. Atmanepadi dhatu. Akshamata. Aksha. Metam akshamanta. Pratama. Pratam purusha ekavachanam. Akshamata. Kaha. Okay. Kim na akshamata. Oh, sorry. Kaha na akshamata.
वृषभौ न क्षमत
No. Saha na akshamata. E. Shakatikaha na akshamata. Right? Saha.
स शकटं
Shakatikaha shakatam
चलयितुं न
chalayitum
क्षमत
na akshamata.
न
So
क्षमत
akshamata referring to Shakatika, the
शाकटिक
Kathman. Chalayitum is to move,
to move.
to
To
cause to move.
Cause to
Shakatam chalayitum. It should be chal plus, you can say, yeah. Chalayitum. 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 Yes, it is chalayitum would be better. Chalayitum is cause to move. Otherwise, chal means chalitum. Maybe in another form may be that, but to check. Okay, Churadigana. Another form may be with anyway. So you can just note. Chalayitum would be, you can say, that is fine. Even if you take Vadigana. So the causative form will be which chalayitum. Anyway, chalayitum is here. Okay, I'll see that later. This dhatu is, there's maybe another one is the another rupam. That's what chalayitum it says.
Is it chaliyitum, Guruji, or chali?
Not chalayitum only. Chalayitum or chalayitum. Chal dhatu. Nijanta rupam. Chal plus nich become chali, not chali. Nijanta, that upada vriddhi will happen. Okay. Anyway, they'll see that later. We have not seen the vriddhi karya. So chalayitum. Chalayitum cause to move. Okay. Or it should be chalitum. Chalitum is to move. Chalayitum is to cause to move.
Guruji, so Rishabha is also like karta.
The shabau is,
Is also
but saha shakatik, saha in the sentence na akshamata is okay. So therefore we have to take that. 1 minute, just chalitum is there. No, not there. Okay. You can take chalitum or chalayitum. Chalayitum will be also be okay. Vrishabau, if it is Vrishabau, then you cannot have akshamata. Right? You will have akshametham then. So saha is the saha na akshamata. He not able to, he could not do, could not move the cart. Vrishabau balavat praharanapi. Vrishabau ka vivakti ki Vrishabau. Huh?
Yeah. Sorry.
What vivakti?
Dvivachana.
प्रथमा
What vivakti?
Prathama.
It
It
is
is
Dvitiya
Pratama
Bhakti.
vivakti. No.
Dvivachanam.
Dvitiya Bhakti.
It is not Dvitiya. If
Prathama.
it is Dvitiya, then who is the karta? If it is the object, then there must be some subject. See the sentence, read it completely. Vrishabhau balavat prakaranapi. Prakarshena harati. Even prakarshena, when it is pulled by Vrishabhau. Even when it is pulled. Vrishabhau
By-
balavat prakaran api.
By the means it is Tritiya Guruji.
Tritiya.
No,
What?
sorry. Bhyam Bihi. No. Bhyam Bihi.
Vrishabhau
Dvitiya.
balavat prakaran api. Vrishabhau balavat prakaran api. Prakaranapi saha shakatam chalayitum na akshamata.
It should be Dvitiya Bhakti only.
वृषभौ बलवत् प्रहरतः अपि
Vrishabha is karma only, no Guruji.
You have to justify karma. How it is karma?
It is karta only, no? वृषभौ
Karta-
प्रहरतः.
It is not karma. Vrishabha is not. If it's karma, you have to say how it is karma. Vrishabha balavat prakaranapi.
Shakatika is the
वृषभौ
karta.
बलवत् प्रहरतः. One sentence.
Prakarat api. Okay.
Okay.
Shakatika will be the karta, no Guruji.
The sentence you have to see. We are not the story. Sentence. Vrishabhau balavat prakaranapi saha shakatam chalayitum na akshamata. So, saha na akshamata. Vrishabhau balavat
वृषभौ बलेन
prakaranapi.
प्रहरत.
He's severely beating the bullock, right?
No, you cannot supply
No.
anything. Okay. Balavat prakaranapi. Even though balavat forcefully. Balavat prakaranapi. Okay. I think sentence has got some mistake. Okay. Or
It has to be वृषभौ बलवत् प्रहरतः किन्तु सः शकटं चालयितुं न
but the
अक्षमत.
prakaran is there, right? So
Pra-
cannot change that. Prakaranapi. Or it should be prakarataha api. If it is not prakarataha, it should be then prakarantaha. It should be.
Hmm.
Vrishabhau balavat. It is Dvitiya Vibhakti. Yes. Dr. Rajaji. You said correct. You have to rearrange the sentence. Vrishabhau, it has to be Dvitiya. So balavat prakaran, it goes along with the karta. Saha, sentence is a tricky one. Saha balavat prakaranapi. Prakaranapi, even though saha shakatikaha Vrishabhau, the two bulls, balavat prakaranapi, even though he forcefully, prakaran, he drew them, shakatam chalayitam. Shakatam chalayitam na akshamata. So this is for prakaran, the karma is Vrishabhau. The karta is Shakatikah. Saha Shakatikah praharati. He doesn't do, but through the bull. Okay. So balavat forcefully. Saha vrishabho balavat praharati. Kaha Shakatikah vrishabho balavat praharati. Converting now praharati to Shatranta, praharan. Kaha praharati Shakatikah praharati. Kau kau praharati vrishabho praharati. Katam balavat, forcefully. Balavat. So balavat praharanapi vrishabho saha shakatam chalayitu na kshamata. Now it fits in, right? So vrishabha is Dvitiya Bhakti. We can rearrange the sentence. Saha vrishabho balavat praharanapi shakatam chalayitu na kshamata. The problem is the Vrishabha is given in the beginning itself, therefore it may seem little confusing to rearrange and then see the sentence. Yes. What Rajaji said is correct, but Vrishabha it has to be Dvitiya. Akshamata Kriya Padam, na Akshamata Kaha, na Akshamata Shakatikaha, na Akshamata. Shakatam Chalayitam na Akshamata. And Prakaran Balavata, all these and Pratama Vibhakti, you cannot change it. Because it in Pratama Vibhakti, it has to go with Shakatika. Then where will you fit in the Vrishabha? Vrishabha has to be, it is a Kriya for, it is a Karma for the Kriya, the Praharan. So, Balavati is, it's an Abhiya. You cannot decline it, okay? Forcefully, that's it. It is Kriya Visheshanam. It is Visheshanam to Praharan. Saha Shakatikaha Vrishabha Balavat Praharati. Even though he draws the bull forcefully, Shakatam Chalagitum na Akshamata. He could not move the Shakata forward. Understand? So this is a good sentence. You can know this can cause really confusion. So Vrishabha is the karma. In fact, it is not, it's correct on the sentence arrangement. It's in the sentence arrangement. Virudhatu Praharan. Praharan is Shatranta, qualifying Saha, Shakatikaha. And Balavati is Kriya Visheshanam. That also is there. And Vrishabha is a karma for Praharan. So there shouldn't be any, I think it's okay. It's excellent. The sentence doesn't have any problem. So therefore, it's not Praharata Handa. We think like that, but it's not. You have to connect with Karta, Praharan. So Saha Praharati, Shakatikaha Praharati, Shakatikaha Balavata Praharati, Kau Praharati, Vrishabha Praharati. Shakatikaha Vrishabha Balavata Praharati. Tatapi Shakatam Chalayitum na Akshamata. Right?
Yes.
See, Vrishabha is karma, but for which kriya it should be the karma, that should be clear. Don't connect with Akshamata. You cannot connect Akshamata. It has to be connected with, it should be connected with the kriya, Virudhatu, Praharan. That is the kriya. For that, karma is Vrishabha. Okay. The next line. Please read. Yeah, anybody can read.
ततः स भगवन्तं नारायणं प्रति चुक्रोश.
See, the same sentence what we read before. I think I also got stuck with that when I taught first time. Again, so you have to note this. Again, we'll come back and hit at the same unless we don't understand that properly. Yeah, I've done this lesson before, but long back, very long back, only once. Okay, yeah.
तस्य आक्रोशं श्रुत्वा दयालुर् भगवान्
No, no.
भगवान्
You have to
तस्य
spell the sandhi. Okay, anyway, you read, do sandhi
दयालुर्
later.
भगवान् तस्य पुरस्तात्
Avirabhut.
आविर्भूत्
Avirabhut.
पुरस्तादाविर्भूत्.
Okay, let us stop here. Tataha, then. Chukrosha is?
लुङ्
Cried.
Right. Right. This is lit lakara, remote past. See, he is using all the lakara. Lung lakara, lang lakara, then lit lakara. All the three lakaras denote bhutakara only.
Past tense.
You remember, lang anadyatane, lung is samanya bhuta, and lit is paroksha.
Remote.
Right?
Hmm.
So, chukrosha is equal to, we can say, akroshat. I just give the past tense. Lang lakara. Akroshat, akroshatam, akroshan. So chukrosha. How become? How you get chukrosha? Duplication happens. Krush, and all we will do later. Okay. So chukrosha cried. Kaha saha shakatikaha. Bhagavanta. Chukrosha is means cried. Okay. And krush, this krush dhatu. Okay. Then Bhagavantam Narayanam Prati. Right? Towards whom? Bhagavantam Narayanam Prati. Bhagavantam is Bhagavan, Bhagavantah, Bhagavantam, qualifying Narayana, Tam Prati, Chukrosha. Tasya Akrosham. Akrosham Shutva. Having heard his cry. Now here, you have to split this one. Dayaluhu, Bhagavan's Tasya is Bhagavan plus Tasya. Padanta Nakara, followed by
Sakara.
yes. Bhagavan Tasya, not Sakara. Sakara is born in the place of Nakara. How it is born?
Oh.
What sandhi is that?
Ru will come.
Anunasika Adesha sandhi or what sandhi? Anunasika Adesha sandhi or Agama, that Anuswara Agama sandhi. Remember, Padanta Nakara, when followed by Chow followed by then Nakara will be replaced by Ru. When it is replaced by Ru, the immediate preceding vowel will get either Anuswara Adesha or Anuswara Agama. Here it is Anuswara Agama. So Bhagavan's Tasya. Remember the sandhi?
Yes.
Padanta Nakara, when followed by Chow followed by the Padanta Nakara will get Ru Adesha. Ru means nothing but Repa. And the immediate preceding vowel will get Anuswara or Anunasika Adesha. So here Anuswara dot is there. And Repa is now what will happen to Repa? When followed by Kar, it will become Sakara. So that's what Sakara is. So Bhagavan plus Tasya, Bhagavan's Tasya. What, Kirjaji? Remember the sandhi?
Yes, Guruji. I'm
Yes,
just
that's the
checking my
sandhi.
notes also.
Yes. Anuswara, Anunasika Adesha sandhi or Anuswara Agama sandhi. The chart you see, it will be there. Purastad means in front. Avirabhut is Avihi Abhut. Avir Bhavanam, manifest. Avihi.
Yeah,
Abhut, manifested. Dayaluhu Bhagavan. Avihi Abhut. He manifested before him. Then what did he say?
Abhashata cha shakatikam bho mudha kimiti joshamaste.
Josham Ase.
जोषम् आस्से मम सहायं वाञ्छसि चेत् उत्तिष्ठ धुर्यौ चोदय चक्रं स्कन्देन प्रचालय एवं
एवं
कृतेऽहं ते सहायं करिष्यामि इति एवमुक्त्वा भगवान् अन्तर्धानम्
अकरोत्
yeah, sorry.
शाकटिकम् अभाषत. He told Shakatika. कः अभाषत? भगवान्. भो मूढ. भो is संबोधना. Okay. भो भगवतो अपोवस्य योषि. There also भो. भो मूढ. भो fool. किमिति जोषम् आस्से. What is आस्से? आस्से is आस धातु. As means Sukham aste. As dhatu. Right? As means to sit. From that only we get asanam, etc. Upaveshne. Aste, asate, asate. Ase. Ase means sitting.
Sitting.
Okay. Ase. U. Tvam. Josham means Josham. Josham ase. Josham is why you are silently sitting down. Okay. Not doing anything. Why you are simply sitting down. Josham ase. Not doing anything. Josham. That was Josham. Kim iti kim tvam Josham ase. You are not, I mean, Josham is, here it is, can say, it's adverbial. Josham ase. Can check the meaning. What is the meaning if you want? Josham means silently or not doing anything. Josham. If not given meaning, it's okay. Here it's been keeping idle. So why you are sitting idly? Okay, that indeclinable. Here it is Kriya Visheshan. Ase is Kriya. For that Visheshan is Josham. Josham ase. Mama Sahayam Vanchasi chet. If you need my help, Uttishta, then get up. Dhuryau Chodaya. Dhuryau Chodaya. Chodaya is
Drive.
Drive.
Chodaya is drive. Dhuryo.
Chodaya is it drive? Chodaya. Dhuryau Chodaya.
To drive the vehicle is Chodaya.
Right.
Dhuryau means this bullock. Dhuryau. Dhurya is another word for Vrishabha ityartha. Right? Dhuryau Chodaya.
Lead.
You
Driving.
You Chodaya is causative. I mean Chodaya. You make them. Dhuryau Chodaya. You what do you call? You drive the Dhuryau Vrishabha. Chakram skandena prachalaya. With the shoulder. It caused the chakra to move.
Yeah,
Right?
lift the chakra.
Lift the chakra. Evam krute. If you do thus, evam krite, aham te sahayam karishyami. If you do, I will help you. Iti evam muktva bhagavan antardhanam akarot. It disappeared. Antardhanam is it disappeared. Antardhanam akarot. So Durya is bull. Okay, another word for bull. That's why it's using different words. Vrishabha, Vrisha, Chodaya. Chodaya means you cause them, impel them. That is Chodaya. See the meaning. Chukrosha, Purasta, Tavi, Bhuta, okay. Durya, bullock, right? Duryaha, Chodaya, drive. Cause to drive. It means Duryo Chodaya. Chodaya is what Vachanam? What Purusha, what Vachanam? It is Madhyama Purusha, Eka Vachanam. Dhatu is Chuddha Dhatu. Causative form, Chodaya. Chodayati, Chodayataha, Chodayanti. Chuddha Dhatu, which is, meaning is to inspire. Churadigana. Here it is not inspire. It is Chodaya means it caused to. Caused to. It caused the, I can say, cause the bullock to inspire means what? You have to make them move, right? That is the inspiration.
Yeah.
Sanchodana ityartaha. Chodana is to question also. Chodana means asking, question. So you make the Vrishabha move. So Vrishabha Chodaya. So therefore Vrishabha Chodaya. Then Chakam Skandena Prashalaya. Chal Dhatu. Chal become Chalaya. Okay. The Chalagitum, that form I will check. Chalagitum, how it comes. Chalagitum is there. Chalitum is there. Then what about you get Chalagitum? So there may be some Vikalpa Rupam. I'll check that. Okay. So we'll stop here. So,
Just one line only there, Guruji.
the lesson, only one line.
Just one
Okay.
line.
Yeah, please read them. That also.
ततः शाकटिकेन तथा कृते भगवतः सहायेन शकटं
Sahayena
शकटं पङ्खानिर्गच्छत्
Niragachat.
निरगच्छत् पङ्खानिरगच्छत् यात्रा च शाकटिकस्य निर्विघ्ना
Abu.
अभूत्.
So you can see many lung rupam. Abud. Okay. Tataha Shakatikena Krite. Tataha Shakatikene Tata Krite. Bhagavataha Sahayena Shakatam Pankad Panka Niragachat. Pankad Nir Agachat. Nir Purvaka Gamdatu Langrupam. Nir Agachat means it came out. Pankad from the slush. Shakatam Shakatikena Shakatam Pankad Nir Agachat. Niragachat. Right? Katam Bhagavataha Sahayena. The help of the Lord. Shakatikena Tatakrate, when the Shakatika, when it is done by Shakatika, thus, then the Shakata came out. Shakatam Panka Nir Agachat came out from this slush. Yatra cha Shakatikasya Yatra
निर्विघ्नं.
Nirvigna Abu, without any Vigna, without any obstacle, it became obstacle free. Nirvigna Abu. Okay. So Abu, the thing was using. Okay, lesson part we will see. We'll see in the next class.
Okay, Guruji.
So Durya, the word is used. It means the bull. Even in Gita, they say no. Rishabha, Bharata Rishabha, and dot. That is the word. In fact, there's a shloka by Kanchi Jayendra Saraswati on Parvacharya. Sitripalesha Matrena, Puman Purna Prajagate, Sambandhe Brahmavid Dhuryam, Brahmavid Dhurya, Sadgurum Chandrashekaram. So Brahmavid Dhurya, Brahmavid, and his Dhurya means he is exalted, most exalted Brahmagyani. That meaning Dhurya. So Rudi Artha is bull. So their bull means exalted. In fact, that is the meaning even in Gita also it is used. Purusha Rishabha, Bharata Rishabha, right? Not Arjuna is a Rishabha. Bull among the Bharata means is the most exalted among the Bharata, this Bharata Vamsha Klodbhava. Among them is the most exalted. In that meaning, Dhuryam, Brahmavid Dhuryam, Sadgurum, Chandrashekaram, it is used. So the bull, it means a bull is a great thing. It is used to describe the exaltedness of the person, Durya, Duryam. Here Durya is bull itself, Vrishabhav. Literally, Durya means Vrishabhav. Some places we use Vrishabhav in the sense of exalted, most exalted. Okay, fine, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. You do one thing in the class, just please don't read the lesson and just go to the move on to the next one. Each line you take and mark the vibhakti, vachanam,
Yeah.
and everything, so that will be useful for your later reference. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Guruji.
Every lesson, if you do, then it will be easy. Otherwise, one day it will pile up all lessons.
Yeah.
And you can mark Kriya Padam, Kriya Visheshanam, Kriya Padam also, what Purusha, what Vachanam, what Lakara, Sarva, everything.
Mhm.
And whichever you have doubt, that is marking. You can ask me in the next class. So every word we are seeing, so it must be clear. And Sandhya also, of course, it comes.
Huh.
Okay. Yeah. Dhanyawadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರು
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರು
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
Dhanyawadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ